Hey, everyone, welcome back to Jhuxtello iTech, where we break down complex financial concepts into simple, digestible bits. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: understanding the tax breakdown on your recent salary increase. If you're ready to dive into the world of taxes, let's get started. For the tax year 2024, the progressive tax rates are as follows. First, 𝚏𝚘𝚛𝚖𝚞𝚗 𝚤𝚘, tax rate is 0%. Next, 𝚏𝚘𝚛𝚘 𝚤𝚘, tax rate is 5%. Next, 𝚏𝚘𝚘𝚎 𝚤𝚘, tax rate is 10%. Next, 3,166.67 𝚤𝚘, tax rate is 17.5%. Next, 16,000 𝚤𝚘, tax rate is 25%. Next, 30,520 𝚤𝚘, tax rate is 30%. Over 50,000 𝚤𝚘, tax rate is 35%. Now, let's calculate the cumulative taxable amounts for the 0%, 5%, 10%, and 17.5% tax rates summed up to 3,896.67 𝚤𝚘. This means we will consider the income brackets of $490, $110, $130, and 3,166.67 𝚤𝚘. So, the cumulative taxable amount for the 0%, 5%, 10%, and 17.5% tax rates, summed up to $3,896.67, would be 490 𝚤𝚘, 0%, plus 110 𝚤𝚘, 5%, plus $130, 10%, plus 3,166.67 𝚤𝚘, 17.5%, equals 3,896.67 𝚤𝚘. What this means is that if your salary falls within the prescribed limits of 3,896.67 𝚤𝚘, any increase in your salary should be subjected to the 25% tax bracket. This ensures that your overall tax liability is accurately calculated based on your income. Asterisk implications for salary increase. Asterisk. If your salary increase from the previous year was 3,896.67 𝚤𝚘 or lower, any incremental salary amount will be subject to the 25% tax rate bracket. For instance, if your salary increase was exactly 3,896.67 𝚤𝚘 or lower, any increase in your salary should be taxed at 25%. 2. Alternatively, if your previous salary was below 3,896.67 𝚤𝚘, the additional salary should be taxed at 25% as well. Understanding your tax breakdown is crucial for managing your finances effectively. If you have any specific scenarios or questions related to your salary increase and taxes, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your finances. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, this is Justice from Jhuxtello iTech signing off.